All right. Let's see here. Yeah, we are live. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Market Open live stream, October 24th. So today, it's Monday. We're going to see what this week brings. Hopefully got some good opportunity. We'll see what the gap scan looks like this morning. got got my fanboys rushing me to start my stream this morning, you know. Yeah, that's how it be when you're just a famous YouTube live streamer. All right. So, first things first. Taking a look at the stocks from last Friday. And and see if we have anything that looks good into continuation for today. I'm guessing that none of the stocks that were gapped up are going to look good today. They all kind of faded off. VRE was the only one that really held up, but there was no volume, no range. I'll continue to watch it today, but I'm not too optimistic on it. Okay. All right, VRE, I'll keep that on continuation watch list. EFOI, this one's cheap. Don't care about it. I'm getting rid of it. CYTO, same deal. PEGY, oh, this one could be worth it to watch into today. 513, yeah. Yeah, so it's holding up. It's over the 200 EMA, so I'll definitely put this one on a continuation watch list. I guess I already have it on continuation watch list. Oh, so I'm looking at same list on this. It's kind of silly of me. Continuation. Okay. So on this, I will add PEGY. VRE, I don't really care about, so I'm not going to add that one. Okay, look at the stocks that were moving Friday. So MF was the one that was moving power hour. I took a couple trades on this thing Friday. I think it was pretty much flat on it. And looks like it totally faded off and retraced that entire move. So that doesn't look good. HUDI. This one actually I ended up making, I had one really nice trade on it on Friday. The only thing about this one, it was very spready, but I hit the bid on this pullback. I ended up getting filled at the bid, and then sold the rip at 68. That was a nice trade. So I'll keep that one on continuation. ILAG, I like. This is the one that we had this parabolic squeeze last week. I'm not so sure about it today. I'll keep it on the watch in case it starts moving. In case, eh? Okay. So what do we have gapped up today? Well, first, got a couple more stocks looking on the continuation list. Come on. Okay. BHVN. This one's going to open relatively high on the daily, but I'm not so sure about it. I'm not really interested. I'm going to delete it. MVST. I'll keep on continuation. It's holding up. SOBR. I'll continue to watch this one. This was disappointing on Friday. This was the big one that I thought we were going to get a nice squeeze on. If you're looking at the daily chart over here, we ended up gapping up. And then, I mean, this thing was holding up for several days since its first initial move. And then it looked like when it got over highs of 86 here, it was going to end up squeezing. And then we opened, got to 90, and then rejected into a halt down. So that was kind of the big disappointment on Friday. But it held up fairly well, so we'll see what it looks like today. What's up, Bacon? Out here looking to get green today. Looking to... Hopefully we got some good opportunity this week. NVST, yeah. I'll keep it on watch, but not too optimistic about that one. So that's that. Okay, gappers. Let's get into the juiciness of today. And doesn't look like there's too much juice. Pretty weak gap scanner this morning, coming into Monday, into the fresh week. We have PCVX, MOTS, which is up 28% on 3.6 million shares. And other than those two, I mean, that's it. We have NSC, which is up 21% on only 170,000 shares, but it's a $250 stock, so definitely not going to be trading that one. APCX, again, kind of the letter volume one. It's up only 12%. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is just a very minimal gap, so I'm not really interested in it. MOTS, now this one was gapped up. If you look at the daily chart here, this one was gapped up last month on the 29th. And I remember it opened and just faded and basically retraced the entire move of its gap. It looks like just this big, ugly red candle here. And now we're going to open at, what, $2 here? So, yeah, I'm not too sure about this one. Let's see if there's anything else anyone's mentioning in the Discord here. How's my audio sound? Is it a little bit too loud? I think I adjusted it when I was playing games, but it doesn't take into account the filters that I have in OBS. So I'm thinking, well, seems like it's okay. It's right in the yellow. Yeah, should be fine. Oh yeah, I do want to add GGE. Maybe a tinge loud. Okay, that's what I was thinking. Let me click it down just one. Okay. How's that? Is that any different? Any better? I mean, it should be different. But this thing is really sensitive. Testing, testing, check, check, check. Yeah, should be fine. I'll leave it alone. If it was just a tinge loud, I put it just a tinge down. Okay, good. I don't remember what that is on my box. So okay. RL hype? Dude, last night I was even telling Kai about that. I was hype on that victory. That is like the perfect situation in my head, honestly. We score a one, they score a four. On their fourth goal, they start talking smack, and then we come back to tie it up in regular time and win it in OT. Bro, that was good. That was good. Shit. I don't know if that's what you were talking about, but I was really hype on that. Okay, I should find my little clock widget. Why does this thing like to disappear on me? It's nowhere to be found again. Yeah, usually they come back on us. I know. Nice to be on the other end, but it just especially makes it sweet because they weren't the type of MFs to start talking smack. They weren't just shit talkers, you know. They didn't just start talking smack from the first time they scored. They waited until they're up three with a couple minutes left. That's what makes it all too sweet, in my opinion. Okay, where's my clock widget? How does this happen? Where does it disappear to? It's happening on Friday too, bruh. Yeah, we did not lose. Okay. Yeah, that was hype. Yeah, I was there. I actually ended up helping Kaya close a little bit, so I didn't get home till like quarter to 11. Okay, so it's gonna let me launch it. So apparently it just got rid of itself. Okay, so time is 8:26, 9:26 market time. Gotta get that important. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, gotta get my level 2 in time and sales. All too crucial. Not every MF waits until they're up to start talking smack. At least not someone like Tyson. Which I respect that. I'd rather have someone that's gonna smack talk from the first goal than wait till they're up just to 3 or 4 to start talking shit. Well, it looks like the markets are gapped up slightly. S&P is up 4%. Q's basically flat, up 0.1%. So yeah, I was gonna add GGE. Is there anything else on the watch list that's being called out? An FNGR. I'll put that one in the continuation. You know that Berg's got a PC. We gotta get him up on these streams. Oh, gotta make sure I turn him off my noties. Otherwise, everything. I should just turn off my notifications for Weeble, but I have the app on my phone, and then anything that I put on my watch list here, when the market opens, it just starts spamming me notifications about, if it's up, down, moving, left, right, whatever. It's like, man, excessive. Okay, MOTS. This one I think looks the best from a pre-market chart standpoint. I'm kind of coming into this wedge right into the open here. We'll see if that support continues to hold. I might look for a dip off that, depending what the volume looks like off the open. Yeah, so it's pretty much coming right into this wedge, actually. It looks pretty clean there. And Chivalry. Oh, yeah, I definitely would be down to play some Chivalry again. We only played that, like, a little bit. But it's a cool game. Super unique. I would definitely be down to play that game. Okay. Got about 30 seconds till the market opens. I want to check the float on MOTS. In case you don't know what the float is, the float is just basically the outstanding shares that are available to trade. So a company with 100 million share float is going to take more volume for the stock to move than say a stock with 10 million share float, because there's less supply, so if there's demand it can move faster. There's the market open. OTS. Okay. That's buyer step in right away. This is going to continue to hold too. Pre-market pivot level at 210. Pre-market high is 223. Seeing a lot of volume here. I want to be careful though not to take any entries too soon. We're going to see buyers come in there. Or are we going to see a rejection? I'm not going to be one of those buyers. I'll wait on it for now. Yeah, this is only a 2.5 million share float according to FinViz. Yeah, I have Chivalry installed still. Just yak water all over myself. Can't wait for daylight savings, honestly, this year. I always hate it because the sun comes up from here, from this angle, um, in my window at like quarter after to like right now. I can see it's kind of starting to mess with my camera a little bit. And then I'll like find myself closing the window, and it always feels bad to be closing my window. So I wish the sun would be there an hour earlier, so then I could enjoy the sun. And then, okay, so that dip got bought up nicely. Watching here on a pullback. So we need the retest of 13. No, I'll wait for it now. Looks like it wants to pull back a bit more here. So 323 is pre-market high. Mark that out real quick. 23. So let's see if we can get a bit of a consolidation in this area on lighter volume. I might look for an entry. So looks like that was the right call to get it. I got it on this pullback and got out because it did get bought up right away, and then did end up pulling back another 5 cents. So that was the right call there. It was a flat trade. On those micro pullbacks, I want to see them get bought up like that, and if they don't, I'm going to be out. It's holding here. Oh, it's a bit too deep. It looked like it wanted to go. It was holding 16, holding 16, holding 16. Why is my ask side frozen here? Come on. Come on. Why are you frozen? Come on, E-Trade. That's frustrating. There's 19. These pullbacks are getting bought up. Try buying that dip there. So we can get the break. Looks like we might pull back before we get 23. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Why? This is extremely frustrating. Why is my ask just frozen here? Come on. This is a paid level 2. This should not be a thing. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot of this bullcrap. We haven't had a red candle yet. So we might need a 1-minute pullback before we get a breakout here. So I need declining volume in this area. If we dip to 15, I'm going to get in. I'll be a buyer. Can we see a dip? Can we see a dip? Okay, come on. Fix yourself, level 2. This is unacceptable. What is going on? Can we see a pullback to 15 or 14? Look for an entry there if we do. Oh, it's too high volume. Too high a volume on that pullback there. Come on. This makes me want to call E-Trade like right now. What is going on? This is ridiculous. So if I make an entirely new level 2, then it shows the right ask. Okay, so why is this happening? I want to be paying attention to the stock, not trying to fix this stupid level 2 issue right now. Oh well, it is what it is. Work with what I have. So it looks like that pullback was the right idea here, but we pulled back a little bit too far for me to feel as comfortable buying that dip. I was on higher volume as well. There's 23. It's going to double top 23. Or it's going to break out. Man, false breakout. Yeah, no good. I kind of should have known though by that. It was a really weak breakout there. What is going on? See if I can duplicate it or something. Oh, it's just gonna stay frozen. This is ridiculous. Alright, well, MOTS. It's cranking up higher here. Let me just take a look at the other stocks for today and see if there's anything nice moving. Let's look at MOTS as the one. I'll be watching this. Really want this to fix itself. Just gonna stay frozen like this. Oh yeah, the ask is frozen on all of these. So it looks like these flushes, well, they're not really flushes as much as they are kind of bigger pullbacks. They're getting bought up nicely. Nice bottoming wick candle there. Can we see more buyers? Nice. Okay, we're starting to heat up a bit here now. Oh, be careful there. Why is the ask just frozen? This is something else. Yeah, this is one of my favorite setups here with this bottoming wick where we had this flush. And then buyers came in real quickly. Scooped it back up. See how far it's going to pull back. If it did to 26, I'll be a buyer. 25 or 26. Oh, there was 26. It was a little bit too quick. Yeah, so that was the dip right there at 26, like I just said. That was a bit too slow. Watch new candle make a new high would be over 233.
Taking off.
Okay.
Yep.
So if we can get declining volume to gain on a pullback. Yeah, so right there is 26. I said it, but I didn't take it because it happened so quick. Kind of a false breakout there over the highs. So it looks like the markets are fighting right now. Basically just trading sideways for the time being. Five-minute chart looks clean here. But might have to look for a bit of a pullback. There's 35. Ooh, a bit of a big dip there. But again, the bigger pullback's getting bought up. Don't want to hold through that engulfing red candle. My timing is just a bit off here. I caught this breakout nice, but was out a bit too soon. But other than that, yeah. I'm going to have to give E-Trade a call after this. Seems completely unacceptable that my ask is just frozen for any stock that I click on. These things happen though. Oops. Okay, if we can get a dip to 24 on a bit lighter volume, I'll be a buyer. Hmm. Not a bad pop there. Got full at 25 somehow. That wasn't much there. Okay, anything else moving here? PCVX. That doesn't look very good. Definitely no good there. GGE, not enough volume on this one. So I'll be continue to watch MOTS. Everything on the continuation watch list is pretty much going down here. Yeah. Now I hope I'm not starting to get sick. I was around all these sick people. Can I have this dry cough? But other than that, I feel fine. Hopefully it's not the start of something. Okay, well this level 2 is clearly bugged. So I guess I'll just flip and make a new one for the time being. But yeah. Don't like the smaller letters. I don't know, it seems really weird. But good enough, I guess. So I got that dip in at 23. I have to hold this for a bit here to see if that's going to end up being kind of the bottom of this pivot. Seeing a lot of selling pressure there at 26. 24 in the bids. Okay, some more buyers. 25 on the bids. 1 minute candle making new high would be over 26 here. Just 27, 28. Be out there at 30 for right now. Look to get back in. A bad trade there. Hey, that's good. Glad you're feeling a little bit better. I uh I really hate sore throats. I'd rather have a cough, headache. I don't know, something about sore throats is just so annoying. Like you constantly are, I mean, you're swallowing 100 times in a day, so it's just constantly kind of a pain in the booty. So 5 minute candle making new high here would be over 23, which is basically over the highs. Or no, that's the low. I meant 35. Starting to speed up here. Looks like it wants to break out. The first pullback is going to get bought up. So I played that right. I got in on this dip here down here at 23. I was out at 30. Should have sold half and held the other half for the break. Something I've been trying to work on there, selling in pieces. Seeing lots of green. Okay, let's see what this 1 minute pullback is going to look like. So MOTS, we have in the daily chart here for resistance. Suddenly have lows of this day at 47. So mark up 47. So some decent momentum here. We're up 46%. Where are we going to see support come in? Buyers came in there at 32. So I'll look to get in on this kind of consolidation if we can get it lower volume into a pullback again. That's what I will look for after a nice leg up. One thing I haven't loved is these big engulfing red candles on the 1 minute here. That was a pretty steep dip there. Okay, so looks like the markets are fighting here. It's kind of just up, down, up, down, up, down. SPY's up 0.6%. The Q's pretty much flat. So this 5-minute chart is looking a little bit, a little more choppy here now. Okay, so are we going to see buyers step in here? Could see support right at this pivot here at 27, which is where we pulled back to. $28 in the bids, holding. Could see 29.30. See if we can get a curl back up. Candle making new high would be over 230 here. Looks like it's trying to curl. We're having trouble at 29. I want to see 29 on the bids. Seeing volume fade off a bit here. So we're going to need be enough buyers down at these levels to make it curl. Not so sure. Candle making new high. There's 29. Can we hold 30? I want to see 30 on the bid. Some big sellers up there at 30. There's 30 on the bid. Is going to hold. There we go. Some buyers. Took a small piece at 32 off. Yeah, I'll be out the rest there. So, and that's always the danger with trying to sell half. Because I had an entry here at 28. Could have sold the rest for 5 cents. But I sold half for 5 cents and then ended up taking a 7-cent loss on that flush there. kind of saw that coming though. I thought that we'd get maybe to at least 34 or 35 though first. I'll be right back here. It's mega warm and humid in here. So definitely seeing some selling pressure here on MOTS. It's below VWAP up now. See if buyers can step in, but I'm not going to be taking it down here. Is it going to do what it kind of usually does when it gaps up and retrace the entire move? Hope not. Anything else being called out here? IMPP. No interest there. ENSV. Yeah, this one's moving. It's up 16%, but the volume's pretty stinking light here. So no interest there. Yeah, so I guess I'll continue to watch this, see if buyers can step in on this pullback. Oh. Oh, it's in the terms of conditions that you can't share real-time level 2 data. Maybe I shouldn't even be having my level 2 up here on the screen. That's interesting. Oh well, I'm gonna rock it for now. so the breakouts on this thing were relatively weak here. Pre-market highs was at 23. Hit 23, rejected. Retest those levels, broke out by about 2 cents, rejected. And here was really the only decent breakout, but again, it's only like 3 or 4 cents. So if you're trying to buy the breakouts as a long trader, this has been very difficult. That's kind of been the same kind of song and dance over the last month or two at this point. Man, today's a tough day. Right now, I really don't see anything moving that I'm interested in trading. Red 44 here. Green 6 need trade. So biggest mistake today, and something that has not been working out very well for trades, is trying to buy the micro pullback after a breakout. Like in this case right here, I tried buying got in I think at 33 or 34, but it was a weak breakout. So that's something that I should have avoided there. Oh yeah. So, where are we at here? Spies propped it up at 15. Retesting VWAP now. Let's see if we can reclaim it. Got myself some sipping bone broth, baby. Gotta say, bought that from Woodman's because it was on sale. I usually would never buy bone broth because it's so damn expensive. But they had it marked down like half price, so I got a couple bags. And that's all right. Gotta say, the stuff I made was better. I must admit. Ooh, Tesla. Tesla looks like it's gonna break down below $200 a share. It's at $200.16 right now. Man, these are not bad prices to be buying Tesla at. The only thing is the market is just seeing so much pain. I don't know when the bottom's gonna end up being. So it's been hard to have any conviction buying anything right now for long term, or at least for medium term. Long term, Tesla's still good. Why do you say good? Oh, well, I have opposite views as F Elon. I very much enjoy Elon. He's a very, very intelligent dude. I'm curious though, why do you say F Elon? Time is 9:20. It's been about an hour since the market opened. It's like APXC or CX rather. This one came back a bit. I'm not interested in trading it though. Basically retraced its entire move and then some. It's down 9% in the day. What? I'm gonna need a call from Russia, apparently. Literally has a phone number and then just says Russia. Should I answer it? Or if it's Putin?
The number you dialed is not in service.
Weird. So you're not gonna back up your claim? You're just gonna say F Elon and not give any good reason why? Okay, that's fine. You are certainly entitled to your opinion. All right, pretty flippin' slow day. Ugh. Man alive. Not really sure what to look at right now. Doesn't look like there's anything else moving on the scanners here. Well, I see KSPN. Take a look at this one. It's been on pretty light volume. Looks like it's retracing that move now. I'm not interested in taking any trades in this down here. Wow, Neo is $8.50 a share. Holy smokes. But the dude is just so self-indulged. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think you're educated enough on the topic. Nor am I, but I don't think that's necessarily that true. Neo down 25%. It's incredible. This is a crazy market we're in right now. Tesla down 7%. These are big numbers. There's the break of 200 on Tesla. Good thing I got out of that. Well, I did. I sold my Tesla shares at 305 like a month ago. Let's take a look at PC VX. Oh yeah, that was the only one that was gapped up. No good here. I1TS is back above VWAP. Not seeing too much volume though here. It's a big buyer at 25 actually. So you're telling me if you were worth $28 billion, you wouldn't self-indulge once in a while? You could just do nothing for the rest of your life and be fine. But that man still works very hard because he's got some pretty great visions. Don't get me wrong, I'm not an Elon fanboy, but if you're gonna say F Elon because he self-indulges, I think that's a bit of a incorrect statement. Man, when is Tesla gonna find some support? Been selling off since the middle of last month when we hit highs of 315 here. Wow, some nice buyers off 22 there. This is really a short seller's market, isn't it? As a long bias trader, this is tough. I don't think I'm going to switch. I'm not going to try starting to short now. But, oh, dude. If you want a super nice deal on a nice Bluetooth speaker, Harman Kardon speaker, that the Bluetooth speaker that I remember looking at years ago, that has fantastic reviews. Harman Kardon makes some really quality stuff. It's a $450 Bluetooth speaker. Right now they have it on sale for 99 bucks. It's like 75 or 80% off. Likening Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau to Hitler, bro. I low key agree with that. Uh, Tweeting pronouns suck. Yeah, I don't know, bro. People are soft AF in 2022. I'll have to go through and actually read that, but I don't know. People are soft AF these days. And I'm genuinely kind of concerned. Did you know that they're giving um prepubescent children the same drug that they give? I can't remember what country. They use it on men who are convicted of rape. And it's basically a drug that artificially castrates you, and they're giving those to kids. The same kids ask for, who demand an ice cream cone, and their parents say no, and then they throw a irrational fit. They're letting them mutilate their bodies. That, to me, is extremely worrisome and dangerous. I don't know. And people getting offended over that, over the whatever. It's a whole nother topic. I don't want to get into that right now. Anyway, back to the task at hand. MOTS, it's not much there. It's holding above view up, but I'd like to see some more volume before I get interested in this. Volume is continuing to decline here. Keep that. I don't think I should keep that off public streams. I don't understand that. I'd be perfectly fine talking about some controversial topics. I don't even think that should be a controversial topic, but apparently it is in 2022. Sad for me. I don't think I know what that means. You'll dox yourself. I don't know what dox means. All right. Okay. I'm going to end things here. See if MOTS comes back, but I'm not too excited about it. So for the time being, I'm going to wrap things up. Small red day for me on MOTS. If I would have held this entry with a larger share size, would have been a green day, but I took a tenth of the position size on this trade that I would have been usually taking, so. But yeah, with that being said, I'll be back tomorrow. If anyone's watching, good trading, happy trading, stay green, stay safe out there. It's a tough market. Later.